Hello everyone. Generally, when people thinking to come to Canada, the first question they get in their mind, will I get job in Canada before I land? Or will someone help me to find a job in Canada? So today we are discussing how you can get job in Canada while you are still in India or Philippines or any other country. When anyone thinks to apply for Canadian job, what they do, they go on Google, they go on Indeed, they go on Workopolis, they go on monster.com, they go different job portals, search for the job in their related field and apply. So once they apply, they don't get any reply immediately. So they keep applying different jobs and they don't get any reply, and this is disappointing. I want you to understand why you are not getting reply from the employer. Even if you are very well qualified, you are not getting reply. I want you to know the scene behind it. So let's go quickly. What is the scenario? So Canadian employer posting a job on job portal, it is going to be a very huge demand for that job. So employer get thousands and thousands of resume, and your resume is one of them. Even if you are well qualified, your resume will not reach to the recruiter because of that rush. And this happen most of the time. You are very well qualified, you send resume to Canadian employer, and because of lots of people apply for the same job, your resume never reach to the recruiter and you don't get reply. So applying through job portals, it's rarely work. So we will discuss what works. Normally, Canadian employer are prioritizing those applications come through network and referral. So our strategies are completely based on this network and referral process. So before we talk about that, so before we talk about strategy, I want you to prepare something upfront. So what are those? The first thing first, you have to have a Canadian phone number. Now we know there are people who are about to get their COPR, or we know there are people who are already got their COPR in their hand. They will definitely get status in Canada. In that scenario, I recommend you to have a Canadian number. Now, how to get Canadian number while you are in India? There are lots of apps. They provide you virtual phone number. So Google it. You will find a list of apps that provide you virtual phone number, virtual Canadian phone number. You take that one. So this way you will have a Canadian phone number on your resume and on your LinkedIn profile. Normally, Canadian employer are get back to you only if you have Canadian number on your resume. If you have Indian phone number, or if you have any phone number which is outside of Canada, you will not get a reply back. So first thing first, to get a Canadian phone number is our priority. Secondly, once you have Canadian phone number, I want you to make a resume, and resume in Canadian format. Now, what is Canadian format? Canadian format is nothing but keep your resume simple and include which is related to your profile. So please do not make your resume very much crowded. Keep it simple. Include your personal detail, your current employment details, your previous employment detail, your education details which are related to your prospective employer. Please also include your notable achievements, that achievements which you are proud of. And finally, put your Canadian phone number. When I tell you to include your Canadian phone number, so please remember this. If you have your COPR in your hand, then you include your Canadian number. If you don't have your COPR, that means you are not going to have your status soon. Do not include your Canadian phone number, because you don't have your COPR yet and you include your Canadian phone number, then it would seems like that you are trying to deceive Canadian employer by showing Canadian number. So never do that. So after you get your resume done, after you get your Canadian phone number, the next thing, you only apply for that job which is relevant to your field. Normally I get lots of calls from clients saying that, sir, get me any job, we are ready to work in any field. But this doesn't work. So you try to find out the job which is related to your field. Now we will come to our main topic, strategies. Now you, until now you already have your Canadian number, you have resume, and you are trying to only reach to the people who are offering job in your related field. As I told you, employers in Canada mostly and preferably accepts candidates through network and referral. So how to build network is the strategy we are discussing. The first thing important, create your LinkedIn profile. So you already prepare your resume, so please make LinkedIn profile according to your Canadian resume standard. Whatever you have prepared your resume, please upload all the details on your LinkedIn profile. After you update your profile on LinkedIn, try to connect recruiter in your field, try to connect employer in your field, try to request connection request to the people who are working in your field. If you send 100 connection request on LinkedIn, you get reply with 20 to 25. So that is still good amount of reply. And through them, when they accept your connection request, you get connected, and then you have an opportunity to introduce yourself, tell your notable achievements, tell your current positions, and please mention how you will be useful for their company or how you will be useful for the position they are currently hiring. So this is the opportunity for you, and this works for a lot of people. You also mention that you have Canadian number, and you also mention that you will be landing in Canada soon. So this really works because Canadian really looking for a talent who are readily available. So do not miss this opportunity. Try to get connected through potential employer, through LinkedIn, through your network, and it will work. There are lots of people I have seen, they get connected through LinkedIn, they start communicating, and then gradually, somehow, in some time, they get an interview call. So this really works. I want you to start this. Apart from LinkedIn, apart from this network, I always ask people to have a good relationship with your friends, family, relative who are already in Canada and working in different field. Getting resume in front of the recruiter is most important to get an interview call, and through referral it's possible. Suppose you have a friend in Canada and there is a vacancy in his office, he might refer you to the employer, and that way employer will have resume in front of him through referral, and you might get interview call. And this works a lot. The last and most difficult part in this strategy is intra company transfer. So if you are working in India or Philippines or any other country and your employer has office in Canada, so please talk to your HR department, ask them if they have any opening in Canada, and you can ask them if there is opening, please provide you an opportunity. This is very difficult, but again, this is effective. I see people who have come to Canada through this way. In any of this matter, either LinkedIn or referral or intercompany transfer, you have to face an interview, you have to go through a 5 6 round of interview, and you have to crack that interview. Very important tip, that in the interview 80% will be technical, but 20% there will be the situational questions. So they might ask you, if you have this task to be done and you don't have much time, what will you do? They wanted to see how you behave, how you react to the situation. So this is very important. Besides your technical skill, they will see your behavioral skill also, they will see your situational skill also, and those are very important for the Canadian employer to find if you are fit for the position or not. We have seen how to find job in Canada through different strategies. So in case if you don't find a job in Canada before you come to Canada, that still be okay, because through these efforts you will at least able to make some connections and make some network within Canada, and that will really help you to find job once you land in Canada. Hopefully you like this session. Have a nice day. Bye.